Good morning. Welcome to Horsley Retirement Adventures. Hey, I've received thousands and thousands of requests for my caramel corn recipe. Actually, probably just two. But anyway, this is all I have left. I mean, it's that good. I mean, I made that great big old kettle of it, but that's all I got left. And usually I don't even have this left after a week. But anyway, okay, so everybody's saying it was too long of a video. They needed to have the recipe. So here's the recipe, and hopefully you all can read it. I'll hold that up there for a little bit. All right. I doubt you could read it. But anyway, write this down. 2 cups brown sugar, 1 cup of butter, 1/2 cup light corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of butter flavoring, 1 teaspoon of burnt sugar flavoring. Now you heat all that together, let it dissolve, bring it to a boil, boil for 5 minutes, remove it from heat, and then you add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and you stir that in. See, that's how you do it, stir. You stir that in until it turns light colored. Maybe 2 minutes at the most. And then you pour it all over your caramel corn, a little bit at a time, stirring it as you're pouring it. And again, remember, use a pot with a handle on it. After you get all that in there, you want to preheat your oven for 250. And then you want to put your caramel corn in a metal bowl, not this plastic one. Don't put this in the oven. A metal bowl, and you bake that for an hour, and you keep stirring it. But I stir about every 15 minutes. Then after an hour, you take it out, you stir it one last time, and you put it in whatever container you want. We used to put it in those great big popcorn tins that you get for Christmas. That's how we used to do it. Anyway, enjoy. Hopefully this helps.